Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some quick, easy effects you can add onto your edits that are aesthetic. Let's just get straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing you can do to make your videos more aesthetically pleasing is by adding overlays. So you can add whichever overlays you want, but I'm going to be using this VHS overlay. All you have to do to add it is press on New, Multi-Layer, then press on 1 and import your video, and then press on 2 and then import the overlay. Okay, now once you have it, press on Import, now press on Color, and then press on Blend BG, and that's it. Press on Create, and press Done. If you want to go the extra mile, especially for these VHS overlays, you can always edit the colors in the transform section. So all you'd have to do is go to custom coloring and press on edit, and there is a section where you can edit the grain and I'm pretty sure the fade. Okay, so the next effect you can put on your videos to make it more aesthetic is the 15 frames per second effect. So press on New, Re-Effects, and then press on Edit, and then select 15 FPS, and make sure you're under this little man icon. I don't know what you'd call it. And as always, if you don't know where to find any of the effects, you can always search it up using the search tool. Press this down arrow and then press Quick FX, and that's it. If you want to go the extra mile, you can always add flicker. To do this, press on New, Re-Effect, and then press on Edit, and then make sure you're under this icon once again, and then select flicker. Now press this down arrow and drag the slider down towards the bottom. Now press Quick FX, and yeah. Okay, the last effect I have for you guys is kind of obvious, but I don't think a lot of people really use this as much as they should be using it, but color magic is a great way to color your edits. Press on New, Transform, select Custom Coloring, and then press on Edit. Press on this Reset button and press on Reset All Parameters if you haven't already. Now press on Light and then select Color Magic and then check this box that says Enable. Now there are a bunch of different settings and they all have different colorings, and you can choose the intensity. I really like the B&W Magic one, and I can change the intensity down. I'll change mine down to 45 right now. You can choose from all of these options. I'm gonna choose this one right here. Just press Create and wait for it to load. Press Done, and that's it. Before I end this video, I just want to say thank you guys so much for 5,000 subscribers. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next week, hopefully. Bye!